Welcome to Lingoland. In our series, Create Spanish Sentences, today we will learn the sentence structure. If you're just starting out with Spanish, you're in the right place. Let's get started. There are three basic components in a sentence: subject, verb and complement. In Spanish, the typical order is subject-verb-object, SVO. I'll walk you through some examples to solidify this concept.
Yo hablo español.
Yo is the subject. Hablo is the verb. And español is the component. We will now look at some more examples.
Hablar.
To speak.
Yo hablo inglés.
I speak English.
Tú hablas español.
You speak Spanish.
Él habla francés.
He speaks French.
Nosotros hablamos alemán.
We speak German.
Vosotros habláis chino.
You all speak Chinese.
Ellos hablan italiano.
They speak Italian. Now let's look at another verb.
Comer.
To eat.
Yo como pasta.
I eat pasta.
Tú comes ensalada.
You eat salad.
Ella come manzana.
She eats apple.
Nosotras comemos sushi.
We eat sushi.
Vosotros coméis tacos.
You all eat tacos.
Ellas comen chocolate.
They eat chocolate. Now we will look at verb vivir.
Vivir.
To live.
Yo vivo en Estados Unidos.
I live in United States.
Tú vives en España.
You live in Spain.
Usted vive en México.
You live in Mexico.
Nosotros vivimos en India.
We live in India.
Vosotros vivís en Japón.
You all live in Japan.
Ellas viven en Reino Unido.
They live in United Kingdom. That is all. Hope you find these helpful. Use them in your conversations and tell us how it went. Like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for more Spanish lessons. Until next time.